In this video, I will show you the SAP Road Maps Explorer. There is a website called SAP Road Map Explorer, so you can go and you can check about any product or any industry level what the changes are going to happen in the coming quarter. So for an example, I will try to look for SAP S4HANA. I will click here and it will show me all the future uh, changes are going to happen. You can see here on the screen for S4HANA, it is selected under product, and you can obviously select uh, this kind of processes or industries, whatever you know points you like to choose. You can choose and you can see the upcoming changes which SAP has planned. So here, like for SAP HANA, the quarter 1, it has 135 road maps item. So these many items are planned for the changes. Similarly, quarter 2, 17 items is planned for the changes. Similarly, if you scroll to the right, you can see you know all the changes how it's going to. So now at the end we have this. These are called future release. If you see the comment right here, future release, and in 20 and after this, after 2025, there will be product revision. So there will be 220 roadmaps. So as we progress near the end, like 2025, so SAP will provide more roadmaps down the line, and we can see the future roadmaps in this uh, tool Roadmap Explorer. Similarly, if you look for any other, uh, suppose SAP Fury, so here also you can see that we have so many road items down the line till 2025, and then there will be product revision. So this is all about this tool, and you can always look industry level as well if you like to see. So if you go back and you click on this industry right here, and you can choose suppose banking. So in the banking space, you can see different roadmaps are planned for the future. So in this way, you can actually have a visibility of the upcoming changes for a product, and also you can have a plan for your system upgrade, because SAP will release new or newer uh, updated softwares. So it is up to you. If you think that this new feature you can implement in your system, so you can upgrade to the newer version.